Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we make lemon crinkle cookies. These cookies will capture your heart. These delightful treats perfectly balance zesty lemon flavors with a soft and chewy texture. Get ready to savor every bite of these refreshing and visually appealing treats. If you're ready, let's get started. 130 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon lemon zest, in a mixing bowl, combine the lemon zest and sugar. Use a spoon or your fingertips to rub and crush them together. This process helps release the oils from the lemon zest, infusing the sugar with a vibrant lemon aroma. Add 2 large eggs and mix well. Whisk until the eggs are well incorporated and the mixture becomes smooth. Now let's squeeze the juice of the lemons we grated. 60 milliliters lemon juice, 113 grams melted butter, 280 grams all-purpose flour, half teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon salt, 15 grams cornstarch. Cornstarch will help make it more crunchy. Keep mixing until you have a cohesive dough with no visible streaks of flour. Turmeric powder will help to get a more beautiful yellow. Continue whisking until all the ingredients are full combined, resulting in a creamy and fragrant mixture. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap or cover the bowl with a lid. Place it in a refrigerator to chill for at least 1 hour. Chilling the dough not only enhances the flavors, but also makes it easier to handle and shape. If you dust your hand with powdered sugar, you won't have as much of mess. Take walnut-sized pieces of dough and roll them into balls between your palms. The dough may be slightly sticky, but it will become more manageable as you work with it. Fill a bowl with powdered sugar. Roll each dough ball in powdered sugar, ensuring they are generously coated. The sugar coating will give the cookies their characteristic crinkled appearance. The secret to crinkled cookies is a double roll of powdered sugar, leaving enough space between them for spreading during baking. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Once the baking sheets are filled, place them in the preheated oven. Bake the cookies for 10 to 12 minutes or until they are lightly golden around the edges. Be careful not to overbake them, as they will continue to firm up as they cool. Remove the baking sheets from the oven and let the cookies cool on them for a few minutes. These lemon crinkle cookies are a delightful treat with their tangy flavor, soft texture, and charming crinkled appearance. Enjoy them with a cup of tea or share them with friends and family. Happy baking! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, leave a comment. See you in the next video.